Hi everyone, this is your sunrise teacher, Mr. Hawkar. I'm so glad to be with you again for another lesson. I hope you guys are all safe and sound. Um, Today's lesson is going to be about objective pronouns. Objective pronouns. Now, I'm sure you already have heard of these words, of this term. This is more about grammar, and we will declare and clarify that later on. Let's get started. Now, in today's lesson, this is going to be Unit 16, okay? Lesson 1, and the topic is all about verbs. All about verbs. Now, we have, as you know, we have in English language, we've got two kinds of verbs. So we've got action verbs and stative verbs, okay? Action verbs are those verbs that are including actions, movement and such stuff like that. Now, if you take a look at the picture, we have the words and the verbs like buy, sell, give and organize, close, open, and help. All of these verbs are action verbs, okay? Or dynamic verbs. But we just call them action verbs, okay? Because there are action involved in the situation. That's all about this one. The second exercise is just point and say. So it's kind of fun. I just want you to point at the picture and say what are they doing, what are they busy with, okay? Things like that. Now, choose two words for each group. This is very important, my dear students. So listen very carefully. In English language, we have something called collocations. Collocations. Now, collocations is when a group of words are used with only one word. Let me clarify this. There must be a combination, there must be an agreement between the words, okay? Otherwise, if it doesn't make any sense, so how it's gonna be wrong, right? Now, the first one is choose two words for each group or verb. Now, we have the verb organize. I'm going to do the first one, so the rest is up to you. Organize a charity event. Tick, it's right. Organize a party. It's also correct. But could you say organize bread? Uh-oh, it doesn't sound right to me, so it's wrong. We only can use organize with a charity event and a party. Second one. Let me do the second one also for you. We have the verb buy. Buy. Buy food. Correct. Buy a friend. Uh-oh. Can you buy a friend? I don't think so. So this is incorrect. Buy shoes. Very correct. Now I'm just going to read the rest for you. All you have to do is just choose the correct answer. Sell fruit, money, computers. Help a friend, people, sandwiches. Give to a person. Give money to a person. Give food to a person. Give a friend to a person. So you know which words are used with these ones. We have open and close. Open a box, yeah. Open a shop, yeah. Open an apple, you see? It's very simple, but I need you to choose the words very carefully with the verbs next time. And the second task is very simple. It's all about acting. Act and guess. I wish we could be in the classroom so that we can perform this activity. It's kind of fun. Now this is while listening and reading. I want you to listen carefully to their conversations and see what's going to happen.
Student's Book, Unit 16, Lesson 2. 1. Read, listen, and say.
The RNLI is fantastic.
Yes, it is.
I want to organise a charity event for them.
That's a great idea.
What can we do?
I know. We can make Kurdish food and sell it in the town.
That's a brilliant idea. Let's plan it.
1 week later.
Everything for a delicious Kurdish breakfast.
What about the soft drinks?
Dad is buying them. Aris is helping him.
Okay, so you just heard their conversation. They are very active. They need to organize a charity event for the RNLI organization. Okay, so this is kind of fun. We need to follow up their event and see how they are going to organize the charity event. Let's also listen and read this one.
Student's Book, Unit 16, Lesson 2. 2. Read, listen, and say.
I like Oliver.
I like him too.
I like Ruby.
I like her too.
I like apples.
I like them too.
I like cheese.
I don't like it.
So this is a short conversation between these two friends of how they like something and the other one dislikes something. This is how they express. Now you can try this one, okay, with your friend or best friend. Now I've got you homework this time. This is a little bit of task for you. Now this mission, I want you to write a paragraph about you and your best friend, explaining the things that you both like or dislike, like these sentences. My friend and me, like this one. This is going to be your topic. My friend likes apples. I like them too. My friend doesn't like cheese, but I like it. You can also organize your sentences like this example. And this is lesson 3. First one. I need you to listen carefully to me of how I read the words. This is about different sounds of vowel I. Different sounds of vowel I. Like this one. 9 tigers. 9 tired tigers. You can write with the firefighters. Once again. 9 tired tigers. You can write with the firefighters. It's kind of cool. Second one, we have a passage about different types of breakfast in different various types of traditionals and cultures, and we're going to read it and also talk about it later. Let's get started. In Lebanon, a traditional breakfast is hummus, bread with olive oil. In Germany, a traditional breakfast is bread, cheese, yogurt, and tea. In Australia, a traditional breakfast is fruit juice, and cereal. In England, eggs are popular at breakfast. Everybody likes fried eggs, fried bread, and fried tomatoes. Okay? Very simple. It talks about different various types of breakfast all around the world in different countries and cultures. I'm sure you can also talk about our in Kurdistan too. Like, what do we have in Kurdistan? Okay. Um, Make sure you take your time and talk about this. And the third task or exercise is all about listening and singing with it. So have some fun.
Student's Book, Unit 16, Lesson 3. 3. Listen, read and sing.
What do you do in the morning each day? I have my breakfast, it's important they say. And what do you have for breakfast each day? I have tea and honey and yogurt and bread.
Alright, my dear students, this is time you should have your notebook and write everything that are going to be in these slides and in the video. Now, this is our grammatical point. We have subjective and objective pronouns. I'm sure you all are already heard of these words. Now we have I, we, you, he, she, they. We call them personal pronouns or subjective pronouns in English grammar. On the other side, we have a list of objective pronouns. They are also pronouns, but a different one. We call them objective pronouns. Now see the transformation, how they are transformed. I becomes me. We, which is subjective pronoun, becomes us. You stays the same. You. He becomes him. She becomes her. And they becomes them. Okay? So make sure you are going to write these lists in your notebook. We have some examples of objective pronouns, guys. See how they are used in sentences. First one. They gave me a letter. They gave me a letter. My dad took us to nice places. My dad took us to nice places. I told you to be more careful. I told you to be more careful. Azad is a smart boy. I like him. My mom is very kind. I love her. Last one. Our teacher told them to be quiet. Our teacher told them to be quiet. You see? Very simple. Make sure you are going to write these sentences in your notebook and study at them. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is all about today's lesson. You have homework for the activity book. You need to do the activity book for Unit 16. And I hope this video will find you safe and sound. And bye-bye.